Today, we're going to build a World War I biplane using 7 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x1 brick with studs on both ends. And the studs on both ends are actually going to be the top and bottom of our biplane. And that big hole on the bottom of our brick is actually going to be the front of our biplane, which makes this stud that's normally on top of our red brick the back. So on this back stud, I'm going to grab a 1x1 round cone piece and just stick it on that back stud. And then in that cone piece, you should have an open end cone piece with that hole. I'm going to grab a mechanical claw piece. I'm going to put that mechanical claw so that the open end of the claw is facing the bottom and top of our biplane, and you kind of see the grips on the side. And the reason I'm doing that is I'm going to grab a 1x1 tile piece, and this is going to be our back tail fin. And we're just going to put that tile piece into the claw piece like this, and we've got the back tail fin of our biplane. And now to put the 2 wings on to give the biplane its name, I'm going to grab 2 of these 1x4 tile pieces. And if you look underneath the tile piece, there's 3 anti-studs. Well, that center anti-stud is going to go in the hole of our side studs, which is now our top stud. So we put the anti-stud into the hole of our top stud. And then the same thing on the bottom, anti-stud into the hole of our bottom stud. And we've got the wings of our biplane. And now we've got that big old open hole in front. And for that is where our propeller is going to go. And for our propeller, we're going to get this minifigure ice skate. And the minifigure ice skate just plops right into that hole, just like it would the minifigure's foot. And you put in any position you want to create the propeller of our biplane. But here we have a completed, perhaps Red Baron biplane from World War I.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.